Hey guys, it's Jess. Today I'm going to be doing a what's in my makeup bag video. This is my makeup bag. There is a lot of stuff in here that I've accumulated over the years. So, let's get started. First of all, my makeup bag is from Victoria's Secret and I got it maybe like 2 or 3 years ago. And this was the biggest one and it came with 2 other little ones which I have since given away. So the first thing in my makeup bag is the Ultra Repair Cream from First Aid Beauty, which looks like this. It says it features no parabens, harsh chemicals, or colorants, which is always nice because why do you want to put that stuff on your face? I don't know. And then the primer that I use is the HD Makeup Forever Primer in the color green because green cancels out red. And my face is often very red. So I put this on before my foundation, but after my moisturizer. Speaking of foundation, I use the NARS Sheer Glow foundation, and this one is in the color Gobi because I'm very, very white. But this is the Sheer Glow one, so it's not full 100% coverage, which is why I also keep around the HD Makeup Forever concealer, and this is in the number 315. When you take off the cap, there's a rubber tip where you can crank up the end and then you can apply your concealer exactly where you want it. It makes it really easy because it bends with your face, so it's really nice. And then I usually use my beauty blender to blend it out. What I use to put on my foundation and blend it in is just like everybody else, a beauty blender. First thing that I do is I wet my beauty blender and then I put my NARS foundation on the back of my hand and then I take the sponge and blot it in my foundation and then I just put it all over my face. Cover up all of my flaws. Then to set everything I have the Makeup Forever HD translucent powder, and when you open it up there's this little piece of fabric that separates the powder from the actual packaging. So the powder doesn't go all over the place, which is really nice. Because when you buy powder, you want to be able to use it. You don't want it to leak all out in your makeup bag, right? And then also in here, I have a Sonia Kashuk Kabuki brush. And it has this kind of like 70s looking pattern on it. And I got this maybe like 2 years ago, again, at Target. And I like it a lot because it's really easy to just blend everything in and it's really big and fluffy, and oh my gosh, look at all the powder coming out of it. That's disgusting. I need to wash this. Also in my makeup bag is the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer, which I've been using the same brand since I've started shopping at Sephora, which was probably a good like 5 or 6 years ago. And I've emptied a couple of these puppies. So I advise you to go buy one because they're great. Keeps your eyeshadow on all day. Next up is the Sephora eyeshadow blending brush, which I keep in my bag all the time. And it's just number 71 blending eyeshadow brush from Sephora. And this was a really cheap one, that's the reason why I bought it, but it actually works really well, which was a very pleasant surprise, so I didn't have to buy another one. Also in my makeup bag is the Naked 3 palette, which I really love, and I use it every single day. And the colors that are my favorite are Nooner, Trick, and Limit. And then the other ones I kind of use for when I'm bored with my makeup and I just want to change it up. And then also in here I have the Maybelline New York Master Precise Liquid Eyeliner, which is fantastic. And it has a felt tip, which makes it really easy to put on eyeliner. And I'm really bad at putting on eyeliner, so I advise you to get this because if I can do it, you can definitely do it too. The mascara that I use is the Lights Camera Flashes mascara by Tarte. And when you open it up, it looks like that. And even though it looks like there's a big clump on the end, when you put this on, it doesn't clump at all, which is really nice because I like natural looking lashes. So if you like natural looking lashes, I advise you to get this mascara. For my eyebrows, I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow powder, and this is in the color Ebony because my eyebrows are very dark. And then this is what the inside looks like. There's two different colors, so if you want to use that color on like this part of your eyebrow and that color on the edge of your eyebrow, that's what I do because I like this color looking darker, you know? So this is the brush that I use, and on one side it is a angled brush, and then on the other side there's this little spoolie brush which I just use to brush out my eyebrows, and then I dip this in here and do my brows. The last thing in my makeup bag that I use every single day is the Ultra Repair Lip Therapy from First Aid Beauty. And I really like this because it glides on super easy and it really moisturizes my lips. Like, I feel like my lips are never dry anymore, which is really nice, especially during winter. Alright guys, so that's all I have in my makeup bag. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below what your favorite item in my makeup bag was. And also subscribe to my channel because there's going to be a lot more videos coming in the new year. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye! Also, in my makeup bag is the Naked 3 palette, which there's a hair in it. That's gross. That can't be what it actually says. Trick. Okay. I don't know where it went. That's a problem. But anyway, also in my lip bag, my bag full of beauty, my beauty bag. What am I talking about? I don't know.